In this video, I'm going to be talking about graphic design career options and opportunities. At the end of the course, you'll be eligible to become a graphic designer and then you can apply for internships and get experience from there. Now, to talk about the graphic design career opportunities, if you are taking graphic design as a full-time career, you can apply for jobs, or if you want to do design for passion or for passive income, or you want to keep it as a side career, you can do freelancing. Now, what's the difference between it? In freelancing, it depends on your recognition of a graphic designer, the number of clients you're getting per month, or your skills and your portfolio and everything like that. And to work as a graphic designer in a company is as similar as any other job. It's like a 9-to-5 job. And in this case, you will be working on a daily basis. You will be working on different projects that you will be given by your manager or the company owner, whoever is responsible for this. It's like a continuous job. But in freelancing, you don't have to design on a daily basis. Also, you don't have a fixed salary per month. It depends on the number of clients you're getting, and it's like a contract between you and the client. So you'll be designing for the client and your client will be paying you for that particular design. And it's eventually hard to get clients because there are so many freelancers and there's too much of competition in the design field. So this is hard to get clients, but sometimes people earn even more through freelancing rather than doing a 9-to-5 job. Sometimes freelancing can be really beneficial, but it has its own pros and cons. And to get into a design job, it's like a secure job, but it has a lot of work to do. So both of them has pros and cons in it. So if you're really interested in graphic design and want to become a full-time graphic designer, you can surely apply for the roles of graphic design in certain companies and give it an interview. Or if you want to become a graphic design freelancer, you can register yourself in the freelance site. There is a PDF in the course lesson that has all the information regarding the freelance job sites. I've also mentioned the links for freelance site. You can just go and check that out and register yourself and become a freelancer. But initially, it's really difficult to get clients because there are already a lot of freelancers over there who are consistently working good. So if a client is visiting the website, he's actually going to look for experienced designers rather than new designers. If you register yourself, you are definitely a new designer there. So it's really difficult to get clients there. But if you get one client, that's like a bonus. You can consider yourself like, I've worked on a project and I got paid for my work so that I can continue freelancing because I have experience. So freelance career has risks in it. Also, it's beneficial if you're doing really good. And graphic design jobs are secure, but that has a lot of work on a daily basis. Now, there are types of graphic design jobs. This is called specialization. So if you're confident creating posters, banners, social media posts and all that things, you should become a graphic designer for marketing purpose. As I said earlier in the branding design section, these graphic designers are responsible for brand and marketing of that certain company. Also, if you think that I can make really good logos, you can become a logo designer and apply for that particular job designation of a logo designer. Logos are always in demand. I've discussed about this before, how significant this is. So become a logo designer is really great, but it's not as easy as it looks like because there are millions and billions of logos that are already existed. So if you're creating a logo that is already existed or that's similar to any other logo that is already existed, that's not going to work for the company. So to become a logo designer, you have to be always innovative. You have to always come up with new ideas. Otherwise, it's not going to work. So this is a great career option, but it's not super easy. Another thing, if you're good at drawing or you can create really good art, you can take that thing digitally and you can become a digital painter or digital artist. So for that, you need a digital pen tab. You can connect your tab with your PC or laptop, whatever you have, and you can draw on Photoshop. This is how you can try for digital painting. We don't have tutorials on digital painting because first of all, it takes a lot of time. So either we can do a speed art or it will take like 3 or 4 hours long video. And the second thing, we are not advertising any device. To do digital painting, you necessarily need a digital pen tablet. So that's like an extra thing you need to purchase. So not everyone is interested in digital painting. So those people who are interested in it can buy it. I can surely show you some tutorials on that. We also have some tutorials on Instagram on digital painting or character design. You can go and check that out. Another design career could be web design. In that case, you will be working along with the web developers. You will be responsible to design the web interface, and the web developer will be working with you to code the backend side of your design. So this is how the web design works. Also in graphic design, you can become a photo editor if you're good at photo editing. So yeah, these are all the career options you have in graphic design. Whatever you're interested in, you're passionate about, or you think you're good at that, you can apply for that position. Or if you don't want to go for anything, you want to start your own freelancing, you can eventually do that. So I hope that you got the idea of design careers. Go with what you like.